we are here and I would like to know what is this preparation. Could you tell us about it?
Yeah, this is in preparation of frying latkes for the holiday of Hanukkah, which traditionally you eat fried food on to commemorate something fried in oil to commemorate the fact that there was oil left for only one night in the temple, and guess what? The oil lasted 8 nights. And so you want to honor that holiday and the tradition of eating fried foods on the holiday of Hanukkah.
Okay, I can see different ingredients like potatoes, eggs, onions, flour. So could you explain a little bit about the preparation?
You grate the potatoes, and they should be Idaho potatoes. They're the best. You grate the onions. You crack 2 eggs in the mixture to cement it together, and then you use the flour. But before you put the flour in, salt, pepper for the taste, and the flour kind of drains the water out of the potato, because it's best to fry and dry with just dried potatoes as possible. And that's all the preparation.